Part 3 of recommend fidgets for school. My camera keeps glitching out, so yeah. Mochis are fine because they're not loud at all and they're super small. I definitely recommend bringing mochis to school because they're very super duper quiet. You can squish them and not make a peep. So yeah, definitely recommend these. I definitely recommend a bike chain. It's quiet and it's also small. So you can definitely bring this. Definitely a pea pod because it's small and it's quiet. And yeah. Definitely not an ASMR pad because the switch is too loud and these buttons are too loud. So definitely not an ASMR pad. A monkey noodle is kind of fine because unless you don't squeeze it and you can just play with it. But the one that I recommend you actually bringing is this mini one because it doesn't stretch out too long and you can still play with it. So definitely bring a mini monkey noodle. If you wanted to bring in a robot kitty beanbag squishy, sure. It will keep your hands busy and it's a cute decoration for your desk. Definitely not one of these because they're going to be too big for your hands and you'll get distracted by solving the colors and stuff. So definitely not bring this.